Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can message you on Roblox, easy and quick. First click settings and click privacy, and here as you will find who can message me. Click on it, and here you can manage everyone on or friends friends and users you follow, and friends and no one, and that's it as you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.